blood orange morning, we hardly slept. Polished chrome, tinted glass, the way you looked then. We slept with our heads together, we had the same dream. Cityscape and the chipped door piece. Hit the roof of the car, driving through the yellow light. Golden glow reflecting your smile in the night. I'll let your red shotgun as the sun is fading. Oh, we'll get out of here, baby. Out on the lakeside, where we stopped to rest, 1,000 miles from home, but we never felt this close. We'll start a new life in a new kind of light, where the water's never murky and the sky is clear. We slept with our heads together, we had the same dream. New town in the window of a train. Going 85 under the street lights. Empty freeway in the middle of the night. I'll let you DJ lean the seat back, you know, you get car sick like that. It gets cold when we run. Pray for an early sun. Timeless and patience in the light. We dance together all night. We slept with our heads together. We had the same dream. A new town in the window of a tree. Going 85 under the street lights. Empty freeway in the middle of the night. I'll let you DJ lean the seat back, even though you get car sick like that.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Tuesday stream. Hi Yellow, thank you so much for stopping by. Still at work, that makes sense. Thank you so much for stopping by though. Hi Snail. I'm just getting things set up fully. So today we're kind of doing more of the same thing we did last time. Pretty much just adding Snails' additional clothing items into the game. I'm very excited. We're nearing the end of the set in terms of art that still has to be made. And we're not nearing the end of the set in terms of art that has to be added, but I hope to get a decent amount done today. First, there's some smaller things that I was considering trying. I have some like vague, let me switch to content. I have some like vague to-do items. Hello? Content? Are you gonna work or no? Display capture? Hello? Oh, okay, it's working now. No. Okay, it only works That's the wrong screen. Wait, it like broke. For some reason, it like doesn't understand my monitors anymore. That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about it. So, I have some fixes to do, but I might do this some other time. It's just some stuff that Snail reported on the stuff that's already been added from the set. And then also I was sort of considering separating dresses out into their own, not their own tab, but their own section in the body category in the character creator, and I'm not sure yet if I want to do that. I'm also going to close my emails, because otherwise I'm going to keep looking at them if I get any. This is a save that Snail sent me for testing. So the way that the full body category currently works, for those who don't know, I talked about this last stream, is that it's just in the body category because it just goes on the body. But I feel it's kind of difficult to figure out which clothing items will not allow pants. And so I was considering like having like a little subheading that says, I don't know, what would it say? Tops, and then another subheading that'll be like full body. That's sort of my idea. But I don't know if that'll be good, especially because the menu already feels so cluttered all the time. But maybe let's play around with it. I think that'll be fun. So I'll send it to the cigar. Send it to the character creator. So I was like briefly confused. Let me just check a setting very quickly. No, that should be fine. Okay. So the way it currently works is that there's just like this category being created here for the shirt. The layer is called shirt, but it's really just the like body layer. At least I'm remembering so. I think that's right though. Yeah, register full body, so it's a shirt. But then I think what I have to do to make this have like the subtitles is to... There's so much in this though that I think would be good. Storage. And then they'd also have to be separated in terms of the storage, which isn't super good. Color selection, yeah. I'm debating if I want to do this now. I think I'll just keep it in mind and think about it some more, because I'm not super sold on the way that the character creator works right now anyway, because there's a lot of issues with it, like how you can only select one item of each type. So technically, the way that the rendering works and the saving, you could have multiple items on each layer, but because there's no way to select that in the character creator, it's not used in the game. And I would like for that to be possible, but then I would have to change the way that the like taking off works and stuff. So there's some work to do with this anyway. So I think I'll integrate that with when I do that. So let's first look at the stuff that Snail sent me. The long skirt oversized and the bell-bottom pants are above the arm layer. Oh, they are. You see that here with the hand. I think this might be us running into an issue of how the layering works at the moment. Because, is it not called clothes.pants? It is. So why wouldn't it show up if I just type pants? That's just silly. Let's see. So there is baggy jeans, and their depth function is above the shoes, which makes sense. But that implies that it's also above the arms. Wait, I'm confused. Oh, I think the arms are above the pants, aren't they? Closed up. The layering is kind of a mess, honestly. It would be nicer if you could set individually, like, what items each clothing item should render before and after, and then it sorts them based on that. But right now, it's just a fixed, like, order that you set them in. Which I think might cause issues in the future, but for now might be fine, because the way that the skin layer works is that it's actually... No. Where's this? Oh, there. It's actually just the pants depth plus 2.5. 2.5 plus 0.25. And I don't see a reason why I shouldn't put it above the shoes. Because they're so far apart. I think this should already fix it. So I don't know if a hot reload would fix it. I don't think so. I think I have to restart. Because it's in a lambda that's in a constructor. That's like a whole depth thing. How's everyone doing today, though? I hope you're all doing great. I'm always not very good at the chat interaction. I have to learn. See, now I'm getting an email on my phone, and it's still causing me to open my email, which is the whole point was me trying to not do that. You're great. You're having snacks. Snacks are very good. What kind of snacks are you having? Okay, let's see. So now... Nothing's changed. Wait. So it's above the shoes. This is above the shoes. So this would have to really be 0.75. See, and this is sort of the issue with the current layering system, is it's just a bunch of numbers that, like, aren't really related to each other in terms of where you put them, what they mean, and that's bad. But I don't mind. I think it's fine. So now it's actually above the pants. And I don't see a reason why that wouldn't be a good solution for now, because the arms are so far away from the shoes that it shouldn't matter for any existing shoes if they render above or below them. Mochi and cookies. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, so now it's above the shoes. Wait. Why isn't this above the shoes? Wait, what's happening? Oh, this is above the shoes. Oh, but this isn't. Right. All the skirts should be above shoes, right? In the case of, like, these high shoes. Yeah. So let's also put all the skirts that already exist above the shoes. Which is just this. This is the long skirt. The frilly skirt, the tight skirt, and the short skirt, which I don't think will matter because there's no shoes that are long enough. Now for this, I know I have to restart though. I also might have documented, should be drawn above pants, shoes. Should be drawn, you know what? I should totally just do default depth, shirt, minus 0.25, which is the same. But I feel like it makes more sense right below the shirt. Because then, if I shuffle them around more, it shouldn't make a difference to the arms. So now if we check the skirts, they should all be above the big shoes. And they are above the big shoes. That is working very well. Okay, cool. So now that is fixed. So let's make a commit for that. Order shoes fixed arms appearing above some new pants. Okay. So now I think we should get back to what we've been doing the last 2 streams, which is boring work. Which is adding all of these items into the game. I think there's some I haven't downloaded from Discord yet. As I said before, the way we manage this is kind of terrible, because Snail, as you can see, just sends me the raw files, and then I hope to not forget them. And then also Snail's, like, randomly intersperses the colors that they want for the clothes. It's not good. We should have done this differently, but it is what it is. Kid jumpsuit. Kid hair mess. Kid hair forgot to cut. Kid hair dreadlocks. It's so stupid. Kid hair dreadlocks ponytail. Because obviously once I add them into the game, which is what we're doing now, it'll be correct. Like, it'll be in the right files, it'll have the right names, but this is just the in-between step for downloading it from Discord and getting it into the game. Growing into its shirt. Baby shirt growing into it. And then what am I looking at here? Oh, it's the band and the hair. So this is palm tree, baby palm tree, hair 1. Baby palm tree, hair 2. A baby single strand hair. Baby propeller hat 1. Baby propeller hat 2. Baby propeller hat 3. Baby headscarf, I assume? And baby scarf. Baby scarf. Okay, that should be good. I do first want to add the remaining adult full body items, though, because they're like a new thing. And the remaining full body adult things should be the bathrobe, the jumpsuit, and the long dress, I hope. So let's get to doing that. Let's get out the full body ace sprite file. Get all of these copied in. Get all of these imported. I'm gonna have to get into a groove with this again. I think it's Control-I, yeah. I think 17 is correct. So this is bathrobe. This is what's happening? Jumpsuit. And this is long dress. And now these should all be in, meaning that if I export them now, they should all be in the correct sort of orientation, I guess. And then if we head into the poses file, no, that's not the right one, the layers file. In full body, I should now have to be able to, add 3 more to change it to 4. And then head into the full body and just copy this and be like, yo, I forgot all the names. Bathrobe. Probably be cheap, right? Should just be sleep. Should be neutral style preference. Now we have to search the Discord. Bathrobe. Nope. Bathrobe. Modern pastel. It's already modern pastel. That's amazing. Underbout is correct, pants is correct, body is correct, okay? Copy paste, and now we do the jumpsuit. which I would assume is a bit cheaper than a dress. I'm not really sure. And a jumpsuit is for every day. What's a jumpsuit for? I'm gonna Google jumpsuit, which sounds weird, but you know, that's fine. Because I feel like, I don't know what type of jumpsuit this is, I'd have to look. But I feel like they're like, just casual, right? They're not like formal. I feel like a party would work. Wait, let's maybe look at this jumpsuit. How about that? This is a casual jumpsuit. Okay, so I'm gonna do party too. I think a jumpsuit is feminine, probably, right? The same palette as the adult version. That doesn't. Oh wait, the kid bathrobe is meant to be modern pastel. Shit. I love how you said that like, for some of the kid stuff, you said that it should be the same as the adult versions, but I don't think you told me what the adult versions should be. So that's not good. Yeah, I have no idea. That's weird. Wait, let me check. Jumpsuit. Finish the simple kid jumpsuit. Oh wait, the jumpsuit. Rugs. Bathrobe modern, but this is still for the kids, right? The jumpsuit. Oh no, wait, this is for the adults. Wait. So is this also for the adults? Oh, it is. Okay, so that's good. That's fine. Never mind. So this should be rugs, which is weird, but, you know, we'll deal with it. Not that this choice is weird, but the name is kind of, like, ill-fitting, now. Sure, let's go with that. And then the last one is long dress. Which looks pretty. So let's do long dress, and I feel like this should be really expensive, right? Like 180. I don't know if that's really expensive, but let's do party formal. Feminine's good, and then let's find again where you said it. Long dress muted pastel. That's easy. Yeah, let's try. Let's delete them from here just so I know I've done them. Let's go into build mode is what I was gonna say. Let's go into the character creator and see body, and in here there should be a bathrobe, which I think looks amazing. This is so cute. I feel like a bathrobe is blue by default. I don't know why. Maybe that's just me, but to me, like, this is the default color of a bathrobe. So let me know if you're okay with that. 24. Where the fuck? Oh, there. 24. The jumpsuit looks good, but I would want it to, I think, probably be, like, also a blue, maybe? Maybe this. I think that's fun. 3. New color settings. Defaults. 3. And then the long dress, which, where's the short dress? This is the short dress, this is the long dress. That's beautiful. I feel like maybe I'm just leaning towards the blue, but it shouldn't be all the blues. Maybe this should be white, but then it's kind of hard to see by default. Which I'm realizing now is a bit of an issue. Maybe it should be this, like, peach color. I think I'm gonna make it this peach color by default, which is 11. Let me know if that's okay, Snail. But yeah, I love those. And I think I do really want to do a separation now between the dresses and the... like the full body items and the non-full body items. Snails is remaining full body items. So let's go back into the character creator and let's just do it. So I think the best way to do it would be to keep this method, but like, I don't know. I might just not separate out the closed storage. I might only separate the buyable area. So let's do a function that's like, wait, let's do an array. This is terrible. Let's do a function of a clothes type to see if it matches. Cloth. Oh, it's just clothes, it's not clothes type. To bool, and a name. Well, I guess the name should be here. I guess it could be a dictionary, and not like a thing of tuples. Subcategories. Defaults to null because we don't want any subcategories by default. But if we have them, default is just... Who's discording me? Grr. Someone's introducing themselves. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna wave to them. Let's do name test in subcategories, or just a single one that's like null, which also, you know, not the best way to do it, but here we are. Does that not work as a dictionary? Should I have to do like, do I have to new dictionary? Can you just like loosely put it in here? Fine, let's do this then. Oh, but then I think it has to be... Wait, that's just not how to do a dictionary, is it? It's curly braces for the key value pairs. Or is it like this? I genuinely don't remember. Okay, whatever. Let's just do I don't even... Can you even use null as a key in a dictionary in this? Guess you can. No, you can't. Possible null assignment to non-nullable... Really? You can't use a null key? That's sad. It doesn't say. Well... Okay, fine. Let's just move this to a function or a method then. That's easier. It's also a bit less ugly. Why are these like separated out anyway? Oh, it's because using the old colors. Build mode buttons. Yeah, whatever. Let's just do this. Void add clothes. Func clothes type bool filter. It's not clothes type, it's just clothes. Dot where filter. Yeah. And then now I should be able to do if subcategories, else add clothes, all of them, which is just they all return true for the condition. For each var name filter in subcategories, and And then I guess this same sort of thing. Name. Ban me? Why would this be UI? They're like all clothes storage, aren't they? I guess they're not. I guess it kind of depends. Whatever, that's fine. Add clothes filter. And then, oh, wait. And then I actually have to use it. Which I would do in the shirt category, because in here it would be can I do this? Really? Correction expression element expression. Yeah, I'm working on it. Full body. C dot type. Is this not really? Can you not do a collection with dictionary? Let me Google that. C# collection expression dictionary entries. I swore that was a thing, right? Or can you just do like the comprehension with it? Wait, let me check. How do you create a dictionary with initial values using collection expressions? You can't. Yeah, you can't. Okay, fair enough. I guess I'm gonna have to do a new then. See, now it feels like it would just be easier to not do a dictionary, but an IEnumerable of tuples. Because then at least I can do all the, like, array stuff that is kind of nice. Name. Also, I can name them now. So fair. And also, none of the code will have to change. Cool. Because now I can just do full body C dot texture behavior. Wait, what constitutes a full body? It's incompatible with pants. Fair enough. Pants. And then tops. All of the other ones. Yeah, I could do like a group by thing. But then I'd have to give them names. Right? This is fine. This works. This is more generalizable, even though it's uglier. It's whatever. Oh, and then I have to do full clothes. So in here, I'd have to have tops. Full body. I think that's a good name, but I'm not sure yet. I love how I keep making these random people wear entirely different clothes than what they usually wear in my test saves. So these are all normal still, but then this one has a weird gap at the top, which I know why, but that's, you know, that's fine. I do like this, I feel. But they should be swapped, like it should be full body at the bottom. And then also, I don't want a random, like, thing at the top. Which I think this is the easiest way to do that. But then I think you can, like, scroll down a little bit if it's more items. So maybe let's just do... Oh, because this already adds a vertical space? This is terrible. Should I just do it like this? This is something that my UI library doesn't really support yet. Having like a top or a bottom padding to a set of elements. Why is there so much empty space here? What is going on? How did that get there? Oh, this wouldn't... No, this wouldn't even work because it would have to not be the same. It's so stupid. It would have to not be, if it's like if it's not the first item. This is a terrible way of doing it. I might just do it like this. Oh, but then this adds another space. What does it look like without the space even? Why doesn't this change anything? Hello? Do I have to like restart the character creator? I think I do because it's in the constructor. No, but that didn't change anything either. Wait, where does this get called? It is in the constructor. But I feel like then it should be able to hot reload, right? Whatever. You like it, Snail? That's good. I think I like it too. I'm gonna cross it off. Yeah, I do like it. But I think now if I pick one that has more... Right, because I removed the vertical space. Because I think all of the, like, these ones have a set spacing between them, right? Which I don't know what it is. I'm gonna guess 5. It is 5. So I do kind of want the 5 space here. Why wouldn't this hot reload work? That's really weird. I feel like it should, right? Oh, it does. See, now there's this like gap at the bottom that the other ones don't have. Which bugs me. Okay, loud ass motorcycle outside. So let's just do children.last. Wait, does this work if it doesn't have anything in it yet? This is me just not knowing, like, anything. Is not vertical space. Is this a good solution? It doesn't even work. Alright, guess I'm so stupid sometimes. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. This is such a a terrible minor detail that I just don't have a good solution for yet in my I need to in my UI library that I'm using. Huh. Wait, what would have added? No, that's empty. Wait. I thought it reloaded. I'm like so confused. Hey Davy's unofficial son. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm doing some very low quality code because I don't know, I'm having a hard time programming on stream as it turns out. That's fine though, that's not the main point of this stream. IT person? I typed IT person again. I don't even care at this point. Just gonna put it at the bottom. Code works, it's perfect code. I mean, that is sometimes true. what would be obviously the best solution is if you could like add a padding to an element, but which you can, but it always applies regardless of what's above it, and I would like for there to be an option for that. It doesn't do that. But yeah, I do really want the gap of 5. But then it's at the top, which is annoying. But then I also don't like that the button is immediately below. How did I do it for the household storage? Oh, it's also just immediately below. I guess I just don't care there? Is that it? Oh, because it's not a fucking array. I think this will be the cleanest, weirdly. And then I can also make this params, which is a bit nicer. Because I'm not on the new C# version yet that allows you to do this like anyway. But now this can just end. I can't tell if I like this better or this better. I guess I don't have an auto format for it, but that's fine. Because now I can just do this and be like, okay, this is totally unnecessary. Can I inline this, please? Hello? Can I not inline these? Like, together? Stop it! Inline variable, inline parameter. What parameter? I have never inlined a... The fuck? Add content? No. What? Why would add content be removed? Source of arguments be... I just want this to be subcategories of I. Dot name. And this to be subcategories of I. Dot filter. How hard is that? If I is greater than 0. Because now it's only in the first one won't have a vertical space. Which, I swear to God, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. It does work. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I like this, I think, because it's like a bit easier to navigate now, and to know which ones are full body and which ones aren't. So that's good. I love these. These are so cute. I especially love the bathrobe, actually. I think that's very lovely. It also has so many color options, which is great. Yeah, look at the bathrobe. That's awesome. What do you do in a bathrobe? I guess shower? Oh, wait, there's a feature I haven't shown yet. No, I don't want to show that. Hey, Co-op Mob! Okay, so that's good. I think that's nice. That's good, I think that's nice. Separate shirts. Separate body into shirts and full body subsections. I think that's nice. Yeah, so I think we should just continue now, adding additional clothes. I'm thinking if there's any non-child... Are the ponchos for adults? I don't remember what we talked about. Are they a full body? Are they a shirt? Poncho shirt too. Oh, it's called poncho shirt. So I guess that means it's a shirt. Biggie earrings. There's like a bunch of random ones that somehow I haven't added yet, despite the fact that I already added all of the other ones from that category. Which I find really strange. I don't know how that happened. Because all the other ones are kids and baby, right? It's designed it with an undershirt. Okay, thanks. I know what you mean though, it's fine. Let's do shirt then. Is it called Butt Tops? I have the most terrible naming for stuff. I think that, yeah, the file is called shirt. Don't save. Wait, can I press N? Oh, I can't press N, that's nice. Since the bonsai is separated in layer, it can be used as an accessory too. No, I like the idea that it's just a shirt. That's fine. Poncho 1. Why is there no working? Did I bad? Did I the bad? Did you the bad? Oh yeah, the bottom one's cut off, that's why. Poncho 1. Poncho 2. Someone discorded me. It is Snails. You finished those 2 onesies? That's awesome. Sorry, I have to be distracted very briefly. Okay. So this is what the poncho looks like. Oh, it's like over there. That's so cute. I love that. So let's put that into the game. There are now 2 additional shirt layers. Where the heck? Am I dumb? Shirt. Oh, right there. Clothes.tops. Poncho. 100 and nothing. I don't know what this would be for. Also, what colors it should have. Poncho. Poncho. Modern, the undershirt, warm, dark. Okay. Modern, warm, dark. Ages everyone. I assume. Yeah, I don't really know what this is. Like, what you would wear this as, but I'm gonna see what it looks like in game. Cool, other casual party. Okay. What are we doing? All right. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, I love this. I feel like the default should not be this, or whatever that was, though. Edit person. Oh, no, add a person. Show color scheme infos. Wait, this is correct? Wait. Poncho modern, the undershirt warm dark. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. I don't know. I kind of want something colorful, but I also want something simple as the default. And I can't really decide right now. Maybe this, and then with a gray. Maybe like this. I think that's cute, right? It's 17 and 4. I like that. That's very cute. Then let's do the other item that I seem to have forgotten, which is the big earrings. I think the reason I've forgotten these is that we didn't... Well, we did though, right? We did head accessories? Huh, I don't know then. Big earrings. Big earrings. Head accessories 22. Clothes dot accessories. Oh my god. Adult general adult head accessories. Wait, would they be head accessories because they're on the ears? Would they be face accessories? But then no, I think head accessories works. Even though it means you can't wear a hat with them at the moment, which is, you know, again, kind of an issue with the system, but that's fine. 80? I don't know. Are earrings expensive? 50. Mostly feminine, I think. They're like dangly. Big earrings that give modern jewelry with the double bracelet. Okay. But then you wouldn't be able to wear them with, like, face accessories, right? Like, I don't know if I like that. But I guess it makes sense for them to be not wearable with glasses with the way that the visuals of the game work. So maybe they should be face accessories. Face accessories. Also just wait, how many layers are there? Just one, right? Can't wear them with something either way, and they're closer to the face. Well, it's not either way though, because if they were head accessories, you'd be able to wear them with glasses. If they're face accessories, you can't wear them with glasses because glasses are also a face accessory. You can only have one at a time. It don't worse on. What did I do? 96.0? That's not very useful. Wait. Oh, because I put it in head accessories. Right. But you can't wear hats with them then. That's correct. But I thought that made more sense. I don't know. Why can't I, like, sprite sheet? Why can't I, like, cut this out of here? That's weird. Face accessories, there you go. 25. Yeah, because head accessories shouldn't have changed now, right? Let's roll that back. Let's see. What are we doing? Alright, the big earrings. Oh, that's so cute! I like that. I do think they should be, like, maybe gold or something by default, though. Maybe this. $6. I like that, that's very nice. Yeah, I think this makes the most sense. Because obviously it's implied that the glasses are on the ears. And I wouldn't want them to, like, clash, especially for other earrings that are closer to the actual where the ears would be. Then also I feel like this is quite expensive, right? Because the glasses are cheap. So maybe let's do 30. I know that doesn't really make sense in real life because the earrings would probably be expensive. But it's fine. They're the same price as the silly goggles. I love the earrings actually. That's so cute. Very cute. Okay. Added Snails is remaining adult stuff. Ah, is Silk Bonnet also one for adults? Swear to God. I also like started not calling them child. I like some. I have some that are called child and some that are called kid. Damn it! Is it a head accessory? Silk bonnet. No, 22. Head accessories. Silk bonnet. I don't really know. I forgot what this is again. Like what you wear it for. I think we talked about this before, but I'm very forgetful. Let's type this into the web. The bonnet. Okay, yeah, it's a bonnet. It appears to be used for something. Uses. This means you can wake up. I guess it's for sleep. I don't know if it's for more though. I don't know if this is it's sleepwear to protect hair. Okay. That makes sense. Bonnet. Damn it. Bonnet. Adding a bonnet would be nice. I made the silk bonnet. Okay, do you want it in a color though? Damn it, Snails. Bonnet. Maybe you mistyped it as bonnet. What color should the bonnet be? I guess the same as the where the heck is it? The durag maybe? Because that one's modern. Pastel. Okay, never mind. What does the durag cost? It's 30. I feel like it should also be 30 then. 39.0. Okay, let's see. Oh, I don't think I made it hide the hair, which I assume it should. Because this hides the hair. Well, you can't really tell with this one, yeah. But then this, that's fine. It looks like Bob Ross's hair, I have to be honest. I like it though. You can like see the little like I guess the like wrinkles in it, but it also, the brown one looks like Bob Ross. So let's not use that as the default. I feel like this would be a good default. $19. And then also make it hide the hair. Oh. Okay, that's nice though. I like that. Oh, we have so many new items. I'm like so excited. Very, very cool. Also, this is like it's a very sleepy outfit. Look at this sleepy ass outfit. I love it. I think it's cute. Okay. Oh my god, there's so many kids things. How many more layers is this? It's 52. That's a lot. We're gonna have so many like clothes. Like, hang on, let me see. So in the because right now, the debug is just clothing that's that we added as part of the set. Is there something like weird in here, by the way? No, it's just the baby items. Let's do the release mode, which doesn't have any of Snails' items. I just want to see how many it is at this point. So this is... where the heck is it? Oh, clothing right here. I wonder why I don't print them all. But, you know. Golden Line Steam. I don't have a bot because I don't usually stream. But it's tinylifegame.com. It's also on my website, but I should probably make it so that it's also in the, like, in the description or something, because it's most of what I stream. Yeah, look at this. That's a lot. That's almost like 100 more. Massive regardless, I think should be tagged as protective wear. That makes sense. Protect. I don't know what. Oh, safety. The goggles. Aren't these the silly goggles? Wait, what's the goggle? Or is that not the silly ones? But I have them as everyday and party. Should I also tag them as protection, or just as protection? Because in my mind they weren't. Like, obviously it's fine if they are, but in my mind they weren't protective goggles. They were just silly goggles. Like they were still glasses in my mind. They can be both. Okay. Yeah, I like that. Because to me they're like just silly and safe. Oh, it goes around. That's fine. That's fine. Doesn't matter. This is just not a good fit together, but it's fine. The item selected here will be hidden under your closed.silk bonnet. Thank you. I love the goggles. I think they're my favorite item in the world. Yeah, look, this is just insane though. We're adding so many items to this set. We're like almost doubling the amount of items we have in the game for clothes. What's happening in this household anyway? Have you considered making another Steam game? Well, I'm not finished with the first one, even remotely, so no. I mean, I do have another Steam. I have Faux Frenzy. But that's like done. I haven't considered making another Steam game after Tiny Life, though, because that's going to be... I feel after Tiny Life is going to be in, like, 8 years. So... I'm not really thinking about that yet. Yeah, okay, let's continue adding the items. Mainly the child ones. A bonnet. I don't know. The full commit message is bonnet. Do you think having the publisher was worth it? Yes, absolutely. I mean, it's not... you're saying was, but obviously the main thing is going to be console support and publicity for when the game releases out of early access. But for the early access release 2 years ago, it was already quite a big help to have the publisher because they were, well, first off, they were lovely. They helped me with some additional funding before the early access launch so that I could have music made by my friend Lice. And they also, you know, sent it to a bunch of news outlets and stuff, which was a huge help for publicity when the game launched into early access. So I would definitely recommend it. What am I doing? Alright. Working on this. Okay. Are we sure that these are all the items? Like, am I forgetting items again? Because that's annoying. Well, what are these? Alright, these are just stuff that Snail has just sent me. So let's do... I assume baby onesie? Long? And then... baby one is a short. Sort. I think for my next game, I'm definitely going to go for higher replayability. Your existing ones are puzzle games. That makes sense. I mean, Tiny Life obviously has a high replayability because it's a sandbox game. I can't close this because I'm on such a small window. Okay. It obviously has a long dev cycle because I'm going to keep adding to it. But the previous game I made was Faux Frenzy. I didn't really like advertise it in any way. I just put it on Steam for the fun of it, and I don't know. I still think it's a pretty good game. It's linked on my website too, but I don't talk about it much. Okay, let's just go through these. Let's do shorts first. Let's close all of this. Also, I have my ceiling fan set to like obscenely high for the fact that it's cold in here. So maybe turn that down. Or off. Okay, child. What am I first? Shirts. Let's do that. Let's see. So it's... these are shirts. This is done. These are shirts. Oh my god, no. These are shirts. This is shirts. This is shirts. That's not shirts. Skirt, skirt, pants, apron. Wait, apron? Is this for adults? I swear to God. I thought I was done with adult stuff. It's fine. That's fine. I think that's all the shirts, right? So let's go. Let's do that. Poncho. What the fuck? Why is there an additional frame? Wait, what? Did you just like have a... oh, you just have 2 pixels at the bottom? Okay. Sure. Let's have 2 additional pixels. It's fine. I don't mind. Poncho 1. Where the fuck is the poncho 2? It's all the way at the back? Okay. Poncho 2. Child double layer. Double layer 1. Oh, wait. This is double layer 1? The other one is double layer 2. Double layer 1. This one is double layer 2. This is racetrack 1. Why did it like open them in such a weird order? Racetrack 1. No. Race track 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. That's not right. Oh yeah, it is. 6 more. This is wrong. I need to go into this. So it's shirt 28. And then in child section. Poncho child. And I guess I'm just gonna copy most of the poncho. Like, it's 100, it's winter party every day. I assume this is all the... because you sent me this on Discord this time in like a really annoying way. So let me scroll up. Finish this simple kid jumpsuit, kid bathrobe, kid dress. Oh my god. Short leggings for the kids. Did I even save these? I don't know. Goggles. Bathrobe? Oh my god. Where's the poncho? Poncho. Poncho. I made a kid poncho. Cool, but what color should it be? Oh my god. I don't know what color the kid poncho should be. Snail. Because you haven't said. I'm just gonna make them the same for now. Really should have organized it better. Yeah. I should have told you to like send them a specific way. Be like, they should be called this.png or whatever. But that, you know, I didn't do that. Double layer child. Because we already have double layer adult, right? We have double layer 2 adult? Oh my god, that's new. Double layer. Double layer. I'm gonna cry. I made a kid poncho. Yeah, but that's not useful because I don't know what color it should be. Double layer. The propeller, I swear to God. Just the same as the adult. Okay, I'm gonna do the double layer is the same as the adult too. Let me know if any of them should not be the same as the adult. Obviously the price won't be the same as the adult. It'll be cheaper. This is 180 and this is 140 and 90. That's fine. I let you know when it's not the same, which I don't think it ever is the case. Okay, that's good then. And then racetrack. Oops. Racetrack. Child. I don't think there's an adult version, right? Because it's the adult version is like, right? Isn't it different, the adult version? It's not a racetrack for the adult. It's like a tape, right? It doesn't say. Double layer under, yeah, because under construction. That's like the adult version, right? Of the shirt. No adult version for that one. But it's like similar to the under construction one, right? Yeah. Okay. So should I pick the same colors? Okay. 140. Yeah, that's fine, whatever. I think these are really expensive now. Like the Pride hoodie, what is it for adults? 130, 85? And this is 180. Oh. Yeah, so these need to be way cheaper. Let's do 80 and 80. Or let's do, I don't know, 70. And then this could be 65. Okay, that's the child ones. Or the child tops, anyway. Stupid glasses. I love them. Child. Who's a child? Are you a child? Yes. Look at that, the poncho. That's cute. Oh. Right, it still... It still shows both even if they're different. Even if they're different? What the fuck am I saying? Even if there's no entries for one of them. Wait, is that really the default color I picked? Dude, does this one have that default color too? Because that's hideous. No, this is different. Wait, did I just not copy it? I'm so confused. Double layer. I just didn't copy it. And then the racetrack, did I not copy that either? I didn't. What? What's 10? Where the heck is 10? Oh my god. Oh, 10 is white? Oh yeah, that works. Woo. Okay, I think that's cute. That's good. So let's do child shirts. And then I want to fix what I just talked about, which is the categories thing. Which, you know, I should have realized before. Yeah, let's just do this differently. Let's just do enumerable of clothes. Clothes. Oh. To add. I don't know. And then, you know, they might as well already be ordered. Because, oops, I can just put this here and do an array. Without the filter, obviously. Put it to an array. I don't think I use this anywhere else, right? Layer any, okay, no, that makes sense. Because then I can be like... Oh, what can I be like? And this is obviously all the clothes. But then I'm thinking now... Maybe I want the subcategories to be like an addition to the default. And then like, so if I do remaining clothes, and then the subcategories would be, but these would have to be added at the top. Yeah. I guess that's fine. Let's do subcategories. Convicting variables defined below. Really? Come on. To add. And then var matching is to add dot filter where by the filter, or by subcategories vi dot filter to array, because I have to check it twice. And then if matching dot length is greater than 0, only do this. But then I don't like the idea that the default. I think I might change this. I think I might change this to where the subcategories are like below, but the default is just at the top without a name. So instead, this would be like, there's no tops category. It's just, there's additional stuff that gets put into the full body. And everything that's not getting put into a special subcategory is, var subcategory items, subcategories.select many. No, just select. To add dot where, just this, essentially. And I think I can do a thing here, right? F. Can I not deconstruct in the thing? Man. So let's do s dot filter. And then this is subcategories, subcategory items. Dot. Oh, wait. No. This is where c dot length. Oh shit. This is a mess. It's fine. Because this is now all of the. Damn it! I have to two-array everything. This is like such a bad solution. I'm not very good at coding, I feel like, when I'm streaming. Or at all, but especially when I'm streaming. Because now this is only the ones that are actually there. But now they don't have the fucking name attached. I think I don't have to do this, right? Because it's already that name. Really? Yeah. Because now this is just subcategory items. No? Oh, fuck. Oh, wait. I'm so stupid sometimes. Items. And then this is actually subcategory items name. Yes. And then all of the other stuff is just going to be added down here, which is to add except subcategory items dot select many items. Because now this is just everything else. Oh, but this has to be at the top. Because these should be the main clothes, and then this should be the subcategory items. Yeah. So now the full body will be at the bottom, like it was before, but in a separate section. Which I don't think this is necessarily the best code, because you could just remove them here. And like do this, like construct this as an, whatever, it's fine. It doesn't matter. It just iterates it twice, which it doesn't have to. But I don't think this is a big, performance issue in this case. See, because now this is just the main thing, which is also nice because it lines up now again. And then this is all the full body items. And then for children, it should not be visible because there's no full body items, yeah. That's good. Oh, but there's no gap. Right, because this doesn't matter anymore now. So this might as well not be a for loop. This might name items in subcategory items. Because it doesn't have to be a for loop anymore because I'm not using the index name. Right, this needs to be an array because otherwise it's iterated twice here, right? And this needs to be an array because otherwise it's iterated twice in here. Yeah. Oh, and also in there. Okay. No, that makes sense. Okay, I like that. Oh, wait, this is still broken. Now it's fixed. Yeah, I like it. I think it makes sense. Especially now, because if there are items in the closed storage, which isn't used right now in the game, but if there were items in the closed storage, they would also be displayed like this, just at the bottom. So I like that. Clean up new full body section. And also now, the category is just like one additional thing, and you don't have to double up this check like I had to before. I just want to check again though that it's right. Okay, sorry. I was distracted again. Because I want to just make sure that these aren't also up here, but they aren't, so that's good. I'm so excited about all the new items. I really am. Also the presets too. We gotta talk about the presets for this set. But obviously that only works once they're all in the game, because that's a lot easier then for you. Yeah, okay. I'm getting a Telegram message. Oh no. It is from my boss. I don't care about it right now. Okay. I think I might just cut the stream a little bit short here tonight because I don't have that much energy today. Unfortunately, I've been sleeping very badly the last few days. But I've still had fun. I hope you have still had fun. And I really need to like schedule this stream thing as a more regular thing because it's definitely been helping me get like the Tiny Life work in, even though we only did like 1.5 hours today. And I didn't get as much done as I would have liked. But it does really help me get more stuff done on the game, even if I'm busy in life with other stuff. And so I do want to schedule it as a regular thing. Might mention it on the Tiny Life website so that I hold myself to it more. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. And I will see you in the next stream. Goodbye!